How can I make Biga? So I have to do flour, yeast, water. How can I mix? I put in the machine, I put by hands. Hi, I'm Chef Joe, and today I'm going to show you how to make Biga in the easy and very fast way. Let's go into it. Before we start, it's just to understand what is Biga. Biga is preferment family, and this kind of dough is significantly improves flour texture, producing a lighter and airy and more aromatic crust. Okay, so just to be clear, does not improve the digestibility of the dough. This depends on what do you eat. So there is no proof of the science that can prove this Biga or any kind of preferment going to improve the digestibility of the dough. Here we go. So for we have all the ingredients ready. In this case, we are going to use a scale because we need to check the flour. It's a very important process. We are going to use a high protein flour that is a 390W, or if you like to talk about protein, it's more or less 13-14 grams. In this case, I already scaled is a 1.5 kg, but for this demonstration, for this video, we are going to mix 2 kg of flour. Okay, so now let's check the flour. Here we go. So our water, we are going to mix, as I said, 2 kg of flour. We are going to put our dry yeast, that is already 20 grams of yeast. You can buy a small scale that like this, that is very useful to scale the yeast. And not warm water, be sure it's not warm. So in this case, our container is 1 kg plus the water is already 1.100 liter of water. Then put the yeast, because I like to show you the right process in case you want to use also the fresh yeast, is the same process. Be sure always to melt yeast and water together before put the flour, because this helps you in the process to be much better. So once is well melted, just start taking our flour and we put in the container. So at the same time, we go also to scale the right quantity. We say we are going to mix 2 kg. Okay, 1 kg is done already. Okay, we can also put all together, there is not a problem. So you can see the process is not so difficult, so it's very easy to make. Okay, here we go. We are almost, yes, 2 kg, perfect. You can also check, see, 2 kg with water. Okay, done. So we're going to mix slowly. We just need to make the flour wet. Okay, we don't need to mix to finalize the dough. We just need to make wet the flour. Remember this. This is a very important step if you want a high quality Biga. Okay, if you have a big quantity, you can also use the machine. That is clear. I highly recommend to use by hands, even if it's a big quantity, because you can see it's very easy, not so difficult to do. But if you want to use the machine, you can do. So you just need to be sure everything is wet from the water we put before. Okay, here we go. Yes, we clean the container. I like to see this container clean. Once this is done, so as you see, it's not so difficult, it's very easy to do, very easy. Yes, okay. I think we are ready. So we just need to make in this way. As you can see, it's not connected, but at the same time looks like disconnected. Let's say like this. You see, it's not mixed. So yes, like this is perfect. I think we're done. Of course, we clean our hands. This is only the only one part I don't like of this of this process, but it's okay. Yes. Okay. Here we go. So ready? Very easy. How do you think it is? Not so difficult, right? So we just close. We keep 1 hour outside, and after 1 hour, we put in the fridge for 24 hours, and done. Very easy and very fast. This is the way I make Biga for all my dough. In the next video, I will show you how to make a full process of the pizza dough, starting from the Biga to the final dough ready to eat, ready to work. I see you in the next video. But don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this video.